Now, I know this is a different kind of video, but I thought it'd be really fun to make and you guys might enjoy it, so I thought I'd give it a shot. Before I start the video, I do want to say that this is just how I do it. This isn't an exact step-by-step guide on what parts to buy and how to get them. It's more just showing my process and how I build PCs to sell. Also, I'm not the first person to do this. There's competitors in my area, as well as a ton of other YouTubers who make videos on the same kind of content. My two favorite are Two Wheels Use Tech and Tech Yes City. Both of those guys basically taught me everything that I know about PCs now. So anyway, shout out to those guys. Those guys are awesome, and let's get into the video. So, in this portion of the video, I'll be showing you the parts that I bought, the price that I bought them for, and where I bought them from. Keep in mind that some deals I did buy local, but you should be able to find similar deals on your own local market, so I wouldn't worry about that. But first off, for the processor, I chose the Ryzen 3 1200. This is a 4-core, 4-thread, AM4 socket processor. Performs very well, especially for the price. You can get these for around $60 to $80, I'd say. I got mine for around $73, but it did come with a cooler. Although I did buy an aftermarket cooler. I got this $13 RGB AM4 cooler. Doesn't have a brand or anything, but you always need RGB in your build, so I thought for 13 bucks this would go great with it. Next is the graphics card. For my price range, the RX 570 was basically a no-brainer. You can find these for like 100 to 120 bucks. I got mine locally for $80. I forgot to save the listing, but it was a very good price. XFX model with the backplate. Very good. Next is my motherboard. I chose this Gigabyte A320, cheapest AM4 board I could find. Got it from Micro Center, 55 bucks. Basic board, but does everything I need it to do, which is just fine. Next, for the RAM, I chose this OLOI 16 gig kit, 3000 megahertz, 56 bucks. Good price for 16 gigs, pretty cheap right now, brand new, and does everything I need to, again. Next is the case. I chose this iMicro mid-tower, $37, has a side panel, fits a full-size power supply, slots for hard drives, just a basic case. $37 is a good price though. With the side panel, I think it was a good buy, good for our budget. Next is a power supply. There's a local store called Ginstar Computers that I bought this iMicro 600 watt power supply for $43, which 43 is a bit expensive, but during COVID, especially with the limited availability of power supplies, thought it was a very good deal. Last but not least, for hard drives, I did forget to save the listing once again, but I picked up a 1TB Seagate for $20 on eBay. You can still find hard drives for around 20 to 30 bucks, so yeah, that's about it for the parts. I'm gonna put these together and let's see how the build turns out. So this is our final product off the dome. I think it costed $320 around there to build, and I'll sell it at $550, so $230 profit if I sell it for full price, which is very good. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Had lots of fun. I do this all the time. So if you want any more videos like this, just let me know. Gaming videos, that'll always come. And yeah, I'll see you next time.